Hello, it's Cherie from Northern British Columbia. I'm here at Port Denarel, getting ready to get a 5.5-hour ferry. I'll show you where I am. So the sun is hopefully coming out today. What a beautiful place. The people are amazing. Bula is hello. Bula. So 5.5-hour ferry ride to our first homestay. We're going to stay with the village people and they're going to cook for us. And we're doing some excursions off to the Blue Lagoon, hopefully today, where the Blue Lagoon movie with Brooke Shields many years ago was filmed. It's one of the areas we're going to. So stay tuned. It's going to be a blast. Can't wait.